Around here a little bit.
So we just were approved with Homepoint, and they're gonna show some of the products and also the portal.
Oh, nice. Perfect. Sounds great.
Well, welcome everyone. I'm Stephen Colberg. I'm your account executive. I guess Travis, if you could just give me just a brief overview of your company. Tell me a little bit about what you do and how we might be able to help you close more loans.
So we've been running as a brokerage, a real estate brokerage for about 7 years. And then we just opened up this mortgage division kind of right at the beginning of the year. I had tried to get it done before last summer, but COVID had shut down everything, the testing centers and stuff. So it took a lot longer to kind of get it up and going, but we're up and going now. We're hiring new LOs, and we have a handful of them already, and we're processing and doing stuff. So we're just kind of bringing on some new partnerships so that we can have some diversity in the product that we offer.
Sure, absolutely. Well, first off, I did send an email out to everyone on your team. This email here, it just had some welcome information. There's some quick training videos that you're more than welcome to watch those, and then a lot more detailed contact information. You can always come to me for scenarios, but we also have a scenario team where you can talk to a live underwriter. That's always pretty helpful. Any other kind of portal issues, appraisal issues, here's all the contact information through here. You can also sign up for turn times. Your files should flow through our Chandler, Arizona operation site. So they'll be pretty much on the same time frame for time zone as you guys. So that's usually pretty helpful. And then there's some other how-tos as far as uploading a loan, locking a loan, that type of thing. Just a brief overview of the portal. It's called The Point. You've got pricing, pipeline information, XMI quotes, that's for mortgage insurance. We got Quick Pricer if you want to price out a loan. That will be all available at the top. And you want to price out a loan or anything, or just?
Yeah, if you want to run through one, let's check it out.
Yeah, let's take a look here. Here we go. Shoot me a scenario. Let's go conventional, purchase. We'll stick with the basics, say 500 loan amount. 725, 750 purchase, 740 FICO. How about a zip code, Travis?
Let's do 92127.
Okay. County?
San Diego.
Okay. San Diego. All right. Lender paid or borrower paid comp?
Let's go lender paid.
All right. And then the underwriting fee, which is $1,095, in or out of pricing?
Let's leave it out.
Okay. So basic information there. Up at the top, you would pick if you wanted to do any type of different amortization. You got your product types, the affordable. That's going to be like a home ready, home possible, more geared to income-based products. So we'll hit search. And here's your available products. 9 times out of 10, it's going to be a conforming fixed 30. The off year, all that is if you were doing like a 27, 28 year amortization. The pricing is going to be exactly the same. So you'll hit the product, and here's your pricing. Anything over 100 is a credit. So say 2.875's got a lender credit of 23.15. Anything less than a credit or less than 100 is a discount. So we pick on this rate here. It's got your comp built in. We got a quarter hit on LTV. And so the total pricing would be 101.463. Any questions on that?
No, it's pretty easy.
Yeah, pretty straightforward. Then you can always refine it. You can save your searches. You can save your templates here, that type of thing. It's pretty straightforward. Any questions on that?
I don't have any. Doesn't look like anybody else does.
Okay. So we'll go back to the dashboard. Other helpful things is our resources tab. That's going to have appraisal information. All appraisals are ordered directly through our portal. We use a rotation of AMCs. We do have an appraisal escalation team if you have any turn time issues, that type of thing. All our guides are going to be here also. Just a brief overview on guides. We're pretty much a 620 and higher credit score across the board. You're going to find with Homepoint that we underwrite really close to findings. I think that's one of the key things I hear from other brokers is that not a lot of overlays, if any. If you can get DU approve eligible, you're going to be in good shape. You can go through the different product guides here. This is conventional. You guys pretty much mostly conventional, Travis? Or
Yeah, a lot of conventional right now. Yeah.
Okay. You do have the FHA, the VA, Home Possible, Home Ready. If you have any kind of scenario questions, feel free to call me anytime and I can help point you in the right direction for that. Other things in the resources, just some how-tos if you need any help getting around in the portal, signing disclosures, loan submission process. When you do start a loan, you will actually disclose it. You'll go all the way through. Since I have AE credentials, I can't really start and lock a loan, but if you just went to any kind of loan started in the process, I'll just pick anybody here. Just a brief overview here. So say this is an approved loan here. The loan will open. So here's the approved loan. Basically, once it's approved, you're going to hit actions and then everything else is going to be on the left-hand side. If you need to do a change of circumstance, you'll do it there. If you want to look at conditions, you can sort by here. We divide our conditions into two sets, prior to CD and prior to docs. To clear a file for a CD, it's real simple, just basic information, title, E&O, wiring instructions, hazard insurance, that type of thing. So we can get the CDs out pretty quick for you. You can always search your documents here. If you need to search or anything there. And the other key thing is once you have an approved loan, in your contact section, you're going to want to see who the loan coordinator is, basically our processor on our side, and they own the file from approval to CTC. So they're going to be your main point of contact if you have any condition questions. The underwriter is here also at Homepoint. You can reach out directly to the underwriter at any time. So that's not a problem. And then my contact information will be in there also. That's the dashboard. Other than that, you've got forms, other points of interest, all our lender IDs, CPL information here. And that's basically the overview.
Okay. Easy enough.
Yeah. Any questions anyone might have?
Doesn't look like it.
One question, turn times, that's pretty common right now. I can tell you they're quick. As of this morning, let me show you. And in that email that I sent, you can sign up for the turn time. So I'd recommend that you do that. So for purchases, we're underwriting purchases from the 4th, from Friday that were submitted. So we're wanting 1 to 2 business days on purchases. Conditions, 24 to 48 hours. I mean, we're closing purchases all day long, less than 30 days. Quicker if you have everything in from there.
Okay. That's good. Especially in the market right now.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, the other thing I want to point out, and this is key, is we have a TBD program. And I know in this market, a lot of brokers are taking advantage of that because you almost have to have it. You know, your buyer's pre-approved. So we do TBD underwrites on conventional FHA and VA. It has to be an approved eligible findings. So what you do, you'd start the loan in our system, you would reissue credit. You would do product and pricing. You would float the loan. Obviously, you don't disclose it. You put TBD into the address, and then you'll get a full income review within the stated turn times, 24 to 48 hours. And then they'll issue an approval, and you'll have a, much more advantage for your borrower to say that it's already been approved by an underwriter.
Okay. That's handy as well. That'd be good for getting these pre-approvals out. So, well, more than that.
Yeah, absolutely. And then it's a one-touch underwrite, so it stays with that underwriter. Once you have an accepted contract, you upload the contract. We open the file up, you get it disclosed right that you'll disclose it right in our system, and it stays with that same underwriter.
Okay. And then what's kind of your guys' niche products over there that we should be looking at?
We're pretty much an A paper lender. We're going to be pricing aggressively, especially, conventional government across the board. I wouldn't say we're a niche per se, we're the third largest wholesaler in the country. So we deal mostly in the A paper things. We do manufactured homes in California.
Okay.
So I would say that that's something that we offer that a lot of other places don't. They're pretty straightforward. As long as the property, the manufactured home meets the agency guides, hasn't been moved on permanent foundation. They're pretty straightforward loans, and we're starting to see more and more of them with values going up like they are.
Yeah, all of a sudden mobile homes are popular again.
Yeah, exactly. So
all right, cool. I don't know if anybody has any questions. I know about half the loan officers are on other trainings, but we are recording, so we can send this out. So, because I definitely want everybody to see the overview and kind of get to know you a little bit as well. So,
yeah, absolutely. And if you want to do it again in a few weeks or a month, I'm always more than able or more than welcome. So I'm a national account executive. I don't travel, and I work mostly West Coast hours. So you're going to find me available most of the time. If you're working, I'm working is kind of the theme of it.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that sounds good. I really appreciate you coming on. We got one question. How much is LTV for a mobile home purchase?
So they're going to be, I'll say on an agency, manufactured guides, they'll actually go up to 95% on those.
Okay.
90 on a second home. Conventional FHA, it's going to be the standard up to 196.5 for an FHA loan. They are a 660 minimum FICO on conventional, 640 on government.
Okay. It's good to know.
Yeah.
Any other questions? Doesn't look like it. So, okay.
All right.
Well, cool. I'll put all your information into our back office so everybody has it, and then they'll probably reach out, like, obviously for the first run through.
Yeah, absolutely. I have Zoom too. If somebody's got one they're ready to go and they want me to walk them through disclosures, that's not a problem at all.
Okay. That sounds good.
All right. Thanks Travis and team, and look forward to working with you guys.
All right. Sounds good.
All right.
We'll
Thank you. Take care.
Okay. Talk to you later.
Thank you.